to lot of, I would say, inputs or that kind of environment. आप अपने आप से पूछ के देखो पहले कि which field will really make you shine, and then go for it. So 3 things है within you. Lot, I think sky is the limit when we spoke about will, skill and environment. पहले will लाओ. Will is very important. आपके अंदर इच्छा होनी चाहिए. इच्छा शक्ति is very important. Then that develop that skills. Skills can be, as I said, engineering, non-engineering segments, and also alternate career. जैसे कि आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, political strategist is also one of those career options. Design and architect, it's also one of those options. Robotics, ये सब जो बातें हम करते हैं, AI आ गया, तो क्या हमारे careers चले जाएंगे? ऐसा नहीं. Even AI also needs some input, some kind of human brain to analyze those information. So वो कहीं नहीं जा रहा है human being का touch. The only thing you have to align your skill set in that line so that you are equally employable. आप क्यों पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं? Employability के लिए, right? So make yourself, really work hard on yourself and make yourself employable. The only thing is, foreign universities is a very valuable thing, but it has benefits. It comes with a lot of challenges also. There is a financial burden. You go in a different culture environment. वहाँ पे आप adjust हो कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. Emotional, कहते हैं ना, home sickness होती है लोगों को. Financial burdens होता है. But at the same time, it give you a very good pedestal also to launch your career. काफ़ी रिसर्च करिए किस यूनिवर्सिटी पे जा रहे हैं. सब यूनिवर्सिटीज़ बहुत ग्रेट करियर्स नहीं ऑफर करती. सो यू गॉट टू रियली रिसर्च, वर्क, व्हाट इज़ योर प्लस एंड माइनसेस, where you can go, identify the universities, identify the stream, and then work towards it. Then focus, keep your focus on that, right? Don't go haywire. So that's what my inputs. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your inputs, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Sarika ji to put focus on this topic.
No, please, one moment, please. I think Dr. Ruchika, she is very much learned, and
Yes.
she is still waiting.
Okay,
I
okay,
think
okay.
we are little bit late to know
Okay.
to
No
get the
issues,
benefit
sir.
from her experience. Ma'am, please carry
Okay,
on. After
Ruchika
that, we
ma'am.
will be
Thank you.
taking the question
Thank you so
answers.
much, sir.
Mic over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good afternoon to everyone. And thank you, A.K. Mishra, sir, for this opportunity to speak to these young brains. As you mentioned, panel में last होने के अपने advantages हैं. Because everyone has touched one or the other aspect of this topic. When we talk about study abroad, तो सबसे पहली चीज़ दिमाग में आती है बहुत सारे सपने जो एक यूथ देखता है, right? We as countries look forward to study abroad in a different manner. हम उसे देखते हैं स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज, जबकि एक्चुअली अगर हम स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखें तो वो एक्सचेंज एग्जैक्ट एक्सचेंज नहीं है, बिकॉज मोबिलिटी जो है वो आउटबाउंड ज़्यादा है, इनबाउंड बहुत कम है. So if we see the recent past figures, approximately 1.8 million students, Indian students, are going abroad for further studies. But क्या वही number of students दूसरे countries से इंडिया में पढ़ने आ रहे हैं? So that is the challenge. We proudly flaunt कि हमारे पास सबसे युवा पॉपुलेशन है, द यूथ. बट अगर वही यूथ एजुकेशन सिस्टम पे भरोसा ना करके अगर फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, सो दैट इज़ अ चैलेंज. Now, as my fellow panelists have mentioned about the various opportunities, the challenges, like ma'am have mentioned, I would further like to add that yes, the governments are making certain changes to our education ecosystem. Like we all are familiar with NEP 2020, in which the government has a special focus on internationalization. Now, as a result of this, there are a number of opportunities which are coming to India, like various foreign universities are opening campuses in India. क्या हमें लगता है कि इससे हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स अब्रॉड जा रहे हैं वो जाना रुक जाएंगे? Because it's not only the degree which is attracting. Still, there are a lot many things which attract a student, right? Like ma'am, Deepa ma'am have mentioned, ki there is lifestyle which attracts, there is experiential learning which attracts, there are the struggles which Richa ma'am have mentioned, which attracts. So combining all these things, we can say कि एक फ्यूचर जो हम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं एज ऑफ नाउ कि एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ओपनिंग कैंपसेस इन इंडिया, और बहुत सारे कैंपसेस ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल हो भी गए हैं, लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साउथहैम्पटन हैज स्टार्टेड, right? In the Gift City in Gujarat, we have a campus of Deakin University, Australia. And many more have got the LOI, and very soon they'll be opening up campuses like University of Wollongong hai, University of Liverpool is there, right? Now, all this seems very attractive. Now, again, the challenge from a student's point of view, that what should I do? Seeing a lot of students in the audience, I would like to focus on, like Deepa ma'am have very rightly mentioned कि haphazard तरीके से हमें choose नहीं करना चाहिए कि हमें बाहर जाना है. There are a lot of questions which needs to focus on first, like which degree, which course, and which university. Right. The country comes second. Rather, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को जब हम काउंसिल करते हैं, वी हैव सीन इन ऑल दीज ईयर्स कि बच्चे सबसे पहले सोचते हैं कि मुझे इस कंट्री में जाना है. कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी, कौन सी डिग्री, वो सेकेंडरी होता है. दे आर अट्रैक्टेड टू द कंट्री. Right. The topmost countries in which our students are going are, of course, Australia, Canada, US, UK, Germany, and even UAE these days is becoming very popular. Right. So now my key takeaway for you is that you need to decide what interests you. Like ma'am mentioned, self-introspection. Do that self-introspection, that what attracts you, what suits you, what are the things you are looking at. So decide on the course first. And then see, you are residing in the age of internet. You are not required to go anywhere. Every single piece of information is available on your fingertips. So use that information. Decide on the courses first, and then see which university is amongst the top in offering those courses. Then decide on the university. And of course, based on the university, the country itself will be selected.
Thank you.
So adding further, there are a number of universities which are coming. We can't wait for those universities to open up and set up. Right. Still, we have a lot of opportunities. There are a number of Indian universities which I can, as an Indian, I can proudly mention that there are a number of Indian universities which are in the QS and THE top list, which are already offering joint degree and dual degree programs. So students हमारे उन universities के through half of the degree India में कर सकते हैं, बाकी की half बाहर कर सकते हैं. That is the beauty of these programs, जिससे आपको multiple advantages हो जाते हैं. एक तो cost saving, right, कि आपको वहाँ पे कम टाइम स्पेंड करना है, ऑफ कोर्स कम ड्यूरेशन के लिए, और दूसरा आप बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड होते हो. वहाँ जाने से पहले आपको पहले से पता होता है वेल इन एडवांस व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट. सो आई थिंक इस तरीके के ऑप्शंस भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable inputs.
Can I add
Now-
one thing? Before selection, like as ma'am was informing that we are having various international universities coming up. Few are here already. The student, from the student side, you should also be saying like universities should actually assure you for that quality, because here being in a different culture, there can be various hurdles in front of the students as well as the university also, which needs to be matched up. So this was one addition. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I have one question from the students. How many of you believe that studying abroad guarantees success? What if I told you that is a belief that can be completely wrong? Anyone of you?
Ma'am, can I ask one question related to this success only? Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask this? This in a refined
Yes,
manner?
ma'am.
I mean, this is the very good question, but I just wanted to know one thing, because of that particular, the situation.